Hello students, today I just want to provide you with a brief overview of the library resources available to you as an MBA student. So when you go to the portal, just click on the quick link for library. Then when the library page appears, there is a research guide prepared specifically for MBA students. So when you click on that, you can scroll down to where it says MBA, click on the MBA link, and here are things specifically chosen to help you during the MBA program. So I would encourage you to check out the library and look at the many available resources you have. Not only can you find books, articles, videos from our library, but we have access to libraries all throughout the state of Indiana and worldwide. And if there's something that you need that we don't have, we may be able to get that through interlibrary loan, oftentimes at no charge to you. So make sure you utilize that service. And any questions, feel free to contact the library. Anita Gray is the head librarian, but any of the library staff can assist you with searches and with questions. They love to help students. In this MBA guide, they have, under the databases and journals, selected databases that are most often used for MBA and organizational leadership students. You can use any of our databases, but the ones listed here are the ones that tend to be most helpful for MBA and Biz Org organizational leadership students. So this is a great place to start when you're looking for articles. Under useful websites are just some statistical and data websites that you can go to get additional information for projects that you're working on. This is by no means exhaustive, but these are just some websites that we have found to be helpful for MBA students. Again, the library staff is here to assist if you have questions or if you're looking for a specific type of data. Feel free to give them an email or a call. There's also a tab here on how to read journal articles, research articles, some things to look for, various resources on doing a literature review, which literature reviews will be very helpful if you have to do a thesis or if you're doing a large research paper or a dissertation. Writing research papers is another tab available to you that goes through the research process, how to create an outline, again, how to conduct a literature review, interpret data and statistics, annotated bibliographies, which a great way to keep track of articles is writing annotated bibliographies, so that section's available to you as well. Also, just a brief introduction to APA. Again, I highly recommend that you obtain the APA manual 6th edition. We list that in the syllabus as an optional recommended text, but that is kind of the Bible for APA. But in this section, there are some common citations, tell you how to do both in-text and reference citations, as well as some other resources for APA. Then there is a guide on plagiarism, what plagiarism is, how to avoid it, different associations related to business and forums, as well as video resources that you have access to as a student. So again, this is just a little overview of our library and the resources available to MBA students. I hope you will utilize the library and the resources and the staff available to you. It is part of your tuition, so make sure that you take advantage of the valuable resources available to you as an MBA student. Hope this helps.